Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my videos. My name is Muhammad Usama, and today I will be going to show you BCD to a 7 segment display circuit. So for this type of circuit, we have basically four inputs: input A, input B, input C, and input D. These basically are the four binary coded inputs, and the small a, the small b, small e, d, e, f, and g are basically the seven LEDs of the seven segment circuit, seven segment LED. Sorry. So this truth table shows that if logic A, logic B, logic C, and logic D, these four logics are at zero position, then the seven segment circuit is going to show a zero output at its LED output, and respectively these numbers can be counter checked by this kind by this truth table, and we will be verifying this truth table by the help of the Proteus and the diagram which we have made, and the circuitry which I have implemented in the Proteus. So we have firstly to make K maps for the small a, b, c, d, e, f, and g. So, after drawing these K maps, we will be getting an governing equation for this small a, small b, small c, d, e, f, and g. These equations basically help us to draw our circuit. So we have made the K maps, and we have figured out the equations which would be helpful in drawing the circuit. You can see this is K map for C, and this is the equation for C. This is the K map for D, and this is the equation for D. K map for E, the equation for E, the K map for F, and so on. These basically are the seven LEDs of the seven segment, and these are the four inputs. And now we are going to uh, check either our truth table is working properly or not. And for this, I have made a Proteus diagram over here, and you can see this is basically the Proteus diagram. And we have to check our results. So for checking a result, we firstly have the first input, which in the truth table, which is the logic A, logic B, logic C, and logic D. These are four logics are at zero position, and when these four logics are at zero position, we will be getting a zero number zero at the output. So let's check in the simulation part. So let's just start the circuit. So the circuit is now have started, and I have to turn these logic toggles at the zero position. So when these logic toggles are at zero position, we will be getting a zero number or at the output, which basically shows that the truth table is uh, at right position, and it's showing the right thing. And similarly, we have to check the other outputs by the inputs as well. So for position number one, we have to check the truth table first. So the truth table says that 0, 0, 0, and 1, if applied at the input, are going to show the one output. So let's just apply these. So I have to turn the logic toggle D at the one position, and when I have turned the logic D at once, and I will be getting a 1 at the 7 segment display. So similarly, you can check any other value. Let's say it's 8. So for 8, I have only a position at 1 and other 3 at 0. So when I turn other all the four inputs at 0 and logic a at 1, so I will be getting an 8 in the to a 7 segment display. So this is how basically seven segment to BCD to a seven segment circuit works. So uh, this is my today's video. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel, and uh, this is all. Allah Hafiz.